Well, welcome back to the Norfolk Cottage Garden and another peony special. The one in front of you this afternoon is the Herbaceous Peony variety simply called Double White. It was bred by Thompson and Morgan, and the buds and flower size on this, again, we're just going to demonstrate for you. Nice interesting bud, almost looks as if it's going to be a variegated white with pink stripes on it as it opens up. But as it does so, those outers fold back and the little bit of pink on there just disappears completely. So as it opens, you get this fully double white peony flower, approximately 6 inches in diameter. Never fully opens for you to see the sepals, so it stays pure white, and this lasts really well. Easy to grow. If we have a look at the foliage on this plant, we haven't got this one particularly well supported, unfortunately, so this flowering truss has come right the way forward. These are just being grown on in the cutting garden. We'll actually use these as cut flowers, which they're superb for. Plant growth, you can see the leaf growth on that, really nice, healthy, emerald green spars of leaves. This plant should grow on very nicely over the rest of the season. One more bud coming round here, a whole set of buds. It's going to flower continuously throughout June and give us these beautiful pure white peony flowers.